Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download OptiFine. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So OptiFine is a popular mod for Minecraft that enhances the game's graphics and performance. Here are the general steps to download and install OptiFine. First, back up your Minecraft data. So this is an optional action. So before installing any mods, it is a good practice to create a backup of your Minecraft data. This ensures that you can refer to the original state if anything goes wrong during the installation process. Next, visit the OptiFine website. So go to the official OptiFine website. You can usually find it by searching for OptiFine in your preferred search engine. Next, select the Minecraft version. On the OptiFine website, you will see a list of available Minecraft versions. Choose the version that matches the version of Minecraft that you have installed. Download OptiFine. Click on the download link for the appropriate version. You'll be directed to an Add Fly page. Wait a few seconds and then click the Skip or Skip Add button in the top right corner to proceed to the actual download page. Download the installer. On the download page, you will find various download options. Look for the download button next to the installer option. Click on it to start the download. Then now, run the installer. Locate the downloaded OptiFine installer file. It is usually a jar file. Double-click on the installer to run it. This will open the OptiFine installation window. Now, install OptiFine. In the installation window, you will typically have the option to install OptiFine as a new profile or install it directly to the existing Minecraft profile. Choose the appropriate option based on your preferences. Select installation options. During the installation process, you might be presented with various options related to OptiFine's feature and settings. Adjust these options according to your preferences. Next, install. So once you've configured the installation options, click the install button to proceed with the installation process. The installer will make the necessary changes to your Minecraft installation. And now, launch Minecraft. So after the installation is complete, close the installer and launch the Minecraft launcher. You should see a new profile corresponding to OptiFine. Select that profile and click the play button. And lastly, verify installation. Once Minecraft is launched, you can verify that OptiFine is working by checking the video settings and noticing any improvements or changes in graphics and performance. Please note that the steps may vary slightly depending on updates to the Optifine mod or changes to the installation process. Always ensure you're downloading the Optifine from the official website to avoid potential security risks. Additionally, be cautious when installing any third-party mods and make sure to back up your data before proceeding. And that is how you download OptiFine. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!